Listen to me carefully. A big portion of Italian extra virgin olive oil sold in American supermarkets could be fake. And this is the same for American extra virgin olive oil, for Spanish and olive oil from all over the world. You could be scammed, so don't be fooled by the label. I'm gonna talk about Italian extra virgin olive oil. I don't want to disrespect any other nationalities who produce extra virgin olive oil, but there are amazing extra virgin olive oils in Italy, and there are bad ones in Italy. And this is the same, in my opinion, for every country, okay? You have to be careful what you buy. Watch the video until the end, because I'm gonna show you the secret of how to spot the right bottle and how to read the label of every single extra virgin olive oil bottle from the supermarket. I'm going to show you exactly how to read the label so you stop wasting your money on industrial machine olive oil. We are ranking every single bottle from S tier, liquid gold, all the way down to F tier. Let's go. Colavita, B tier. Look, it is reliable, but you have to read the label. They sell different versions. If the bottle says 100% Italian, it is a solid B tier. But if it says Mediterranean blend, put it back. De Cecco, C tier. We all know they make fantastic pasta, but their olive oil is just okay. It is mass-produced and lacks that spicy, grassy punch. C tier filler. And it's sad to say this because it's from Abruzzo, where I'm from. Cutrera, S tier. 3 years ago, I didn't love that batch. It wasn't great. As of today, in 2026, this is Sicilian Gold, jackpot. It smells like fresh cut grass and green tomatoes. If you put this on a piece of bread, you don't need anything else. Pompeian, F tier. First of all, it is a clear plastic bottle. The light and the plastic destroy olive oil. It smells like old crayons and tastes like car oil. Do not put this on my tomato salad, please. All Italia, A tier. This is the brand trusted by thousands of chefs inside of Italy. It is clean, reliable, and 100% authentic. A brilliant, everyday workhorse for your kitchen. Bono Val di Mazzara, S tier, the real deal. Look at the neck of the bottle. It has the DOP certification. That means every single drop is guaranteed to come from a specific region in Sicily. It is authentic, fruity, and peppery. Monini, B tier, a very standard, classic cooking oil. You find it in every supermarket in Italy and around the world. It won't blow your mind on a bruschetta, but if you use it for ragu, for sauces, it actually does the job. I could give it an A, okay? But there are different versions of Monini, so you have to pick the right one, okay? But if you really cannot find the premium ones, I think Monini is a very good choice. Lucchini, S tier, very popular in USA, and for good reason. It's peppery, it's fresh, and it gives you that beautiful little burn in the back of your throat. That burn means it is packed with healthy antioxidants. Cento, C tier. It is basic. It is also very popular. It is fine if you're frying eggplants, but please do not pour this raw over your beautiful burrata. It doesn't have the soul. Partanna, S tier, the spicy Sicilian in a red tin. First of all, the tin protects the oil from the light, which keeps it fresh. It is unfiltered, rich, and perfect for finishing a beautiful pasta dish. Ravida, S tier, premium quality. This is an elegant oil. It is pressed perfectly and tastes exactly like green tomatoes and artichokes. A masterpiece of Sicilian agriculture. Bertolli, F tier. Mamma mia, this is industrial, tasteless, flat blend. They take oils from different parts of the world, I guess, mix them together and process the life out of them. It has zero aroma. Lorenzo number 5, Barbera, S tier. This is pure luxury. It is thick, it is creamy, it is made from peeled olives, so it has zero bitterness. If you're making a caprese salad, this is your secret weapon. Filippo Berio, D tier. Read the back of the label right now. It sounds Italian, right? But in tiny print it says blend of olive oils from Mediterranean or from Europe. It is a no EU blend. It is not Italian. You're paying for marketing. Frankie 457 Spuntino, S tier, from Sicily. Again, all the way to Brooklyn. It is grassy, spicy, and perfectly balanced. An incredible finishing oil that you can actually find in many US stores. Listen to me, olive oil is essentially fresh fruit juice. The liquid that comes out from the olives, there is nothing in it. It's pure olive juice. It goes bad because it's a fresh product. So within 1 year or maybe 2, you have to use it. After that, don't. Here is the secret to never getting scammed again. Number 1, only buy oil in dark glass or a tin. Light is the enemy. Number 2, turn the bottle around. If it does have a harvest date printed on the back, do not buy it. You want oil that was squeezed this year, not 3 years ago. Some good brands now do 2 years, and that's acceptable. Go to your kitchen right now, look at the extra virgin olive oil bottle that you have, and tell me in the comments below, what are you using? Are you using S tier, liquid gold, or are you using F tier? Keep in mind that A and B tier are actually good for every day, okay? S tier might not be accessible for everyone because the cost might be higher. But if you use A and B tier for every day, you're doing fine. If I just saved your next dinner party, please smash the like button right down below and do not buy fake olive oil anymore. E ora si mangia a beautiful slice of bread with extra virgin olive oil, S tier.